Hi, my name's Andy and I'm here with Milwaukee to show you the range of products available for drain cleaning, inspecting, locating and repairing. Here we have a blockage located between these two manholes. We're going to be using the 30-metre M18 sewage inspection camera, which is also available in the 60-metre reel. It comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera with 12 LED lights to illuminate the drain. The 9.5mm push rod makes it easier for longer runs, but flexible enough to get around those 90-degree bends. We also have an 8-inch high visibility monitor, which can be handheld or mounted to the device. Those images and videos can be recorded to a USB. The machine can also be used to create a digital report to record any problems that we may find. Now let's put the camera down to see if we can locate the blockage. As you can see here, we found roots in the drain. What I'll do now is retract the camera, get the flexible shaft machine, which is perfect for clearing this sort of blockage. Here we have the high-speed flexible shaft machine. The telescopic handle and all-terrain wheels has made it nice and easy for me to get around site. The 23-metre cable is more than enough for this sort of job. The machine comes with 4 chain knockers as standard. On this occasion, I've gone with the 110mm chain knocker with the penetrating head. I've chosen this size here as it's safe to use in PVC pipework and will easily clear these roots. The foot pedal allows me to keep my hands free when operating the hose. Okay, so we found the blockage. To effectively remove the roots, we want to start off slowly before speeding up. The variable speed dial allows me to do this from 600 RPM to 2200 RPM. As you can see, we've easily removed the roots and the pipe is clear. Occasionally we come across blockages which we can't clear externally, perhaps in a high-rise building or small challenging locations like this toilet here. The M18 FUEL power feed drain cleaner is perfect for situations like this. It's safe to use internally, light and portable, easy to hold with one hand or rest on the floor using the flat base. The tool has a cable drive with 3 positions: neutral for manual feed, lock position to work the clog, or auto feed. It also comes with a useful waste bucket to transport the tool after use. Let me show you now how to use the tool to clear a blockage in this toilet. As you can see, it's cleared the blockage quickly and easily. I'm going to show you now how we can use a drain inspection camera, an M12 locator, to find and access a damaged pipe beneath the surface. As you can see, I've already inserted the camera, and what we've discovered is that the drain is completely blocked up with expanding foam, meaning that we need to locate, dig, and expose the pipework and replace a section of drain. What we need to do now is locate, dig and repair the pipework. I've already connected the locator to the smart hub, meaning that the machine will alert me when I'm directly above the camera. This device has two omnidirectional antennas, which means that locating sondes and tracing energized lines is easy without any interference. This tool has an impressive 13-hour runtime on one M12 2-amp hour battery. It also has a 4.3-inch colour LCD display screen and active guiding indicators. Okay, let's get to it. That higher pitch sound and guiding indicator tells me exactly where I need to dig. We've now dug out the trench and exposed the pipe which we need to replace. Jack here has the M18 FUEL grinder, which is perfect for cutting clay pipe quickly, especially in restrictive spaces just like this. The last step is to cut our new PVC pipe down to size. For this, I'm going to use the M18 FUEL SAWZALL. You can see how quick and easy this tool makes the job. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. All the tools you've seen in this video can be found in the description below.